Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cocktail jelly ball step by step. Bloom gelatin in cold juice, then warm sweetened alcohol gently without boiling. Stir to dissolve sugar and strain to remove foam before filling molds. Chill until set, then unmold carefully using warm water or a gentle twist. Finish with a light brush of neutral syrup for shine and serve chilled in small glasses or on spoons. Measure liquids and spirits precisely to ensure proper setting and flavor balance. Bloom gelatin in cold juice for 5 minutes before heating any alcohol. Warm a separate sugar syrup gently to dissolve sugars, then combine with the bloom gelatin and a little alcohol off heat. Strain the mixture to remove solids and foam, pour into molds, and refrigerate until firm for best texture and presentation. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to keep more recipes coming. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof containers make storing and transporting jelly balls effortless and spill-free, plus they stack neatly in the fridge. They work for garnishes and leftovers too, saving mess and time in the kitchen. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Control temperature carefully to retain aromatic notes and alcohol content while allowing gelatin to set. Cool the mixture slightly before adding spirits, stirring gently to combine without creating bubbles. Pour into molds on a level tray to maintain uniform shapes and refrigerate undisturbed. When set, unmold with brief warm water contact or silicone flexing. Then plate with complementary garnishes for a polished and playful cocktail presentation your guests will love.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.